Hey guys, we are back with another makeup tutorial.
And today we're going to be playing with some palettes by Make Beauty. So I discovered Make, I don't know, like 4 years ago online, and they've never shipped to Canada. And I was able to get my hands on some of their products.
Yes, finally.
For Canadians that are interested in trying, they ship from Net-a-Porter, J. Crew. I got this on J. Crew, yeah. So they are really awesome.
Yeah, they always have really interesting colors that you might not see. And we have two palettes today, and Make collaborated with two really interesting designers. Mine is with Faye Toogood, who is a London-based furniture designer.
The palette I'm using is the Mirror Monsieur Zade palette. She's a fashion designer from New York. Her store is in Lower East Side. It's wonderful. I highly recommend. And the colors are very her, if you've ever been to her store. There's really interesting pastel colors and warm tones. So half of both of our palettes are powder, pressed powders, and half are creams for like lip and cheek.
Yeah.
So they're just really interesting, beautiful combinations of color, and we're excited to play with them.
I am very excited to play with my palette. Yeah, so opposed to Camille's palette, mine has a bit darker eye tones, but all really cool. We're gonna make some cool looks today. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this electric blue and I'm gonna be putting it on my bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna be taking the navy blue and putting it on the top as like a smoky liner.
I'm going to be taking the mustard yellow and putting it all over my lid, just to the crease. I like that blue because it's it looks really bright in the palette, but it's actually very subtle.
Yeah, it is pretty subtle. It's not like super electric.
So I'm going to be taking the second color, which is the warm terracotta brown. I'm going to be putting it on the outer edges of my eye, and like a little bit underneath my eye, just like into the crease on the outer edge. So right now I'm just taking the black and I'm smudging it across my top lash line. Or the navy blue?
Sorry, the navy blue. It looks black.
And as usual, I use my fingers to clean up where I don't.
Yeah, I'm using my fingers just to
don't
smudge.
Want product where I may have accidentally put it. So both of us are doing like kind of soft, smudgy looks.
Yep.
And I guess what's unique about it is just the color palette.
Yeah, color palette's really nice.
So we're just gonna put on some mascara and then we'll be adding some lip and cheek color.
Yeah.
So now we're going to play with the other side of the palette and do use these colors on our lips and cheeks. I'm going to be putting this like bright pink coral on my cheeks because I feel.
And I'm
like
putting
that.
this, oh yes, and I'm putting this mid, like it's a brownie, bit orangey color on my, oh wait, you're doing cheeks first?
Yeah, cheeks.
Oh, so I'm going to be taking this, the most orangey reddy color, and putting that on my cheeks. So I'm not putting too much, because it is,
it's pretty saturated, so yeah, just like to put a little bit.
Yeah, just a little kiss. Okay,
and now we're going to do lip color. I'm going to be using the two opposite, more warmer neutral tones, these two.
And I'm using this, like it's a brownie, kind of orangey, not as strong as the cheek color though, color on my lips.
I like putting on lipstick sometimes with my finger because you can do much more of a diffused look rather than having a super saturated lip.
Yeah.
It's kind of almost like that worn in lipstick look, which I really like sometimes.
Yeah. This, actually the colors from this palette, they're really nice nudes. They all are a bit orangey, but most of them are brown and go on really nicely, so they're nice just to throw on.
And I'm just kind of like mixing these two together, layering them a bit. I couldn't decide which shade.
I'm just using one shade for me.
That's a pretty color.
It's
like your lips but better. You know the one, that's the hardest
when you
part.
want to just look like you have natural lips, but your lips, like especially with my lips, they get really light if I have nothing on them.
Mine's a warm like muted orange, but it kind of looks nice with the yellow mustard eye. That's it.
Those are our looks.
These
Aren't they beautiful?
Do you like?
Thank you, Make Beauty. I love them.
Do not regret these purchases.
Yeah, they have a lot of really cool colors in them, so I'm excited to try even more looks with them.
And we bought a couple other things. Their face gloss, their universal stick, so we'll be playing with more products and hopefully we'll share with you soon as well.
Yeah, so be sure to subscribe so you can see those videos in the near future.
And we hope you guys have a great day, great week, and we will be back with another tutorial soon.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.